Now exercise 2.2 first sum. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So first, for this question you have to find out the zeros by using the factor method which you have learnt in 9th standard. So first of all, find out the zeros. How will you find? So here 1, coefficient of x square is 1. Because if there is no coefficient is 1. So 1 into 8, 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. That should be written on the top. And what is coefficient of x? That is minus 2. So you write minus 2 here. So what are the two numbers? When you multiply, you will be getting minus 8. That you should find out. Then when you simplify, you will get minus 2. Both should be same. So here minus 4 and 2. So 4 2s are 8. Minus 4 into plus 2 is minus 8. Then minus 4 plus 2. When you simplify, 1 is minus and 1 is plus. So if you have different symbol, you should subtract. So when you subtract 4 and 2, you will be getting 2. And among those two numbers, which is bigger number? 4. And symbol of 4 is minus. That symbol you should write. So your answer will be minus 2. So you are getting minus 2 as well as minus 8. So when you multiply two numbers, you should get minus 8. When you simplify the same two numbers, same two integers, then you should get the coefficient of x. So here this satisfies our given problem. So I am going to write like this, so that while I am writing, I will write from the bottom. So x minus 4, actually this minus 2x should be, this is called splitting of middle terms. That how will you split the middle terms? Minus 2 should be splitted as minus 4 and plus 2. So or else you can write directly also. So what are the factors now? X minus 4 into x plus 2. So x minus 4 into x plus 2 are the two factors. So when you equate this, what are the zeros? X minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 4. This is one of the 0. Similarly, x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. So here the two zeros are 4 and minus 2. So let this, the zeros, when you after finding the zeros, you have to assume one is alpha, another one is beta, because there is a formula for sum of the zeros. Now you got the factors. You should verify this with the coefficients. What is the formula for verifying? See here, let this be alpha. So let alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to minus 2. So to differentiate the zeros, we are giving the name as alpha and beta. So now here first you find out sum of the zeros. What is sum of the zeros formula? Alpha plus beta. Sum formula minus b by a. First you simplify this. 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? Which is 2. So again, sum of the zeros formula. What is sum of the zeros formula? Yesterday I taught you sum of the zeros, which is minus b by a. So what is minus b? So when you compare this with the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, b value is minus 2. So here b value, already you have one minus, and here in the sum also you have one minus. So minus of minus becomes plus, and the value of b is 2 divided by, what is the value of a? 1. 2 divided by 1. So here 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. So here also you are getting 2, here also you are getting 2. So both are verified. This is by using factors, by using the zeros you are getting the sum as 2, and by using the formula also you are getting the sum as 2. So we have verified both the answers. Now similarly, product of the zeros, alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? Here alpha value is 4 into beta value is minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. And what is the formula? Product of the zeros formula, c by a. So what is c value here? Minus 8, and a value is 1. So minus 8 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 8. So now if you see, these two are giving the same answer. So by using the factors, by using the zeros also you are getting the same answer. Similarly, by using the formula c by a also you are getting the same answer. So we have verified the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients by using coefficients, and this is by using zeros. Both we have verified. So you should write hence verified. That's all.